it. And
Sure.
Like resizing of the widgets, that was a big one for me.
Yeah.
Really cool. So is there anything else like hidden about the phone, little secrets, tips or tricks?
Let's talk about enterprise.
Well, there's a lot of, so while the device is a very immersed multimedia like home theater experience, there is a lot that's also focused on that enterprise user to be able to sync up corporate directories, emails, contacts, and get all of that experience so that you can have that kind of connectivity. It does support data tethering as well, so that if you're outside the office, you still need that laptop connection, you can have that. It's really a multi-function device because it even has one of our brand new HD games into the device that it comes with a demo version of for this Need for Speed Shift. This is one of the first HD games that's ever residing on a mobile, and this is exclusive to Verizon Wireless. It really shows you multiple driver angles as you're going through different types of tracks. Something I think it's 18 different cars that you can drive on all different tracks, and a level of progression that as you go through the game, you're rewarded with upgrades and better cars and things like that. The immersion within the graphics and as well as the audio track in there really gives you a great experience too. So it kind of transcends that whole line from that power business user being able to take this device and being this as their connectivity back to their office, all the way through that multimedia experience for video, as well as the gaming platform as well.
I'm guessing is it the internet connection?
No, I think what I've been trying to do is buy the game, and it's not connected to a credit card. That's why it's
yeah.
Maybe we should use it on your phone, because I think you have it.
And I think let's see.
You definitely check out all the apps along the wall because the Blockbuster folks there, the NFL.
Oh, wow.
So definitely make sure that.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay. And there's a gentleman here as well that also had helped us with the implementation of the game and getting this title made available to Verizon Wireless customers. So like I said, this is a title that was developed by Electronic Arts that made exclusive for Verizon. Shows you right here, you jumped right into the demo version by saying, yep, take me to the track, let's get racing. Loads up. Gives you a little bit of information about how to make the controls. The controls itself for the game are based off accelerometer movements as well. So you know, some of the more popular games now are doing that. So you steer the car by tilting the device. So as soon as it starts out, you know, here you are manipulating the car on the track. And the demo version starts out with the little green arrow, so if you're, you know, looking at an off angle and completely unskilled, such as myself, you can at least give an idea.
You're doing it backwards.
Yeah, upside down.
There's the cracked windshield.
There you go.
And even has a little touch here for a bottle of nitrous that you can add in there as well. Now it's difficult to hear in this environment. I think our audio is all the way down here, but it also has some great tracks that run in the background.
Yeah, that looks really good.
But yeah, so you know, definitely if you want to get your hands on that, it's a great title. Like I said, exclusive to Verizon Wireless.
Awesome, very cool. So one last question: what, in terms of HDMI Video Out? I know there are a lot of people that there are a lot of things you wouldn't be able to do. Now, you wouldn't be able to connect HDMI cable out while you're playing a game and watch it on a big screen, can you?
That's a good question. I think we're going to have to take that back and get back to you specifically about the game. Now, there are some
I mean, in general, like when you connect your HDMI cable, what can a consumer do? Like, what are the limitations? Is it because I know typically it's always photo gallery and videos you have on your videos you already have on your phone. Can you do it with the Blockbuster app? Can you do HDMI Video Out? Can what can you and can't do? I guess.
So certainly, to answer your question, future you'll be able to connect the game. Right now, it's just on okay, cool.
So for
thank you, I appreciate that.
The bulk of the HDMI Out certainly is centered around this HD camera, the camcorder feature that's in the device. You know, just being able to take that capture, that type of image, and be able to get it up on the TV. There are other applications like VCast videos that will allow you to output as well. Blockbuster is not one of them at this time. time, and that's due to contracts back with the movie studios. They are right now preventing that. But the alternative to that is that if you want to see that same title up on your TV, because it's a cloud-based solution, while you rent the movie on the device, you can download it directly to the TV. Okay. So you don't necessarily even need that cable to be able to view it on the TV. And that's how we go about setting up that experience for the user to be able to enjoy that without necessarily breaking contract with the movie studios directly.
Great looking phone, hardware, software, service plans, everything. So I appreciate you guys giving me an overview. We just get a look at who's giving us the all the action. I know you guys worked very hard on this, so congratulations on the launch.
Thank you, and thanks for participating.